Bhishma Telugu movie summary. Bhishma is the CEO of Bhishma Organics, who wants farmers to shift from using chemicals in farming to organic practices. Bhishma gets them to shift in organic farming and announces to the media that he will announce the next CEO on the company's 50th anniversary. Meanwhile, Bhishma Prasad is a single man who seeks to find love, where he attends his friend Parimal's boss pre-wedding party and meets Sara. Bhishma introduces himself as Bhishma IAS, I am single, to Sara and gets her to elope with him, but Sara gets him stuck with the police and Parimal gets fired. Bhishma's uncle JP has to bail him out by calling his classmate SEP Deva, who later asks JP to bring Bhishma in order to teach him a lesson, as he believes Bhishma is a loser since he lives his life as a meme creator. Later, JP tells Bhishma's father Anand Prasad that Bhishma is serving a punishment with Deva, and it is revealed that Anand and Deva were classmates and Bhishma touched his daughter when they were little, which caused a split between both of them. One day, Bhishma meets Chaitra and introduces to her as SCP Bhishma, as he is in a police vehicle, and Chaitra introduces herself as an employee of Bhishma Organics. Bhishma decides to go with her and he ends up learning about organic farming. Raghavan, who is the CEO of Field Science, introduces a product called Instant, which produces a 6-month yield in 4 months by the use of chemicals, and tries to influence some of Bhishma's farmers by setting up a live interaction with Bhishma. After a few hilarious twists, Bhishma finds out that Chaitra is Deva's daughter. Deva soon develops a good opinion about Bhishma, but Chaitra doesn't like him. Chaitra and Bhishma leave for the interaction, where Bhishma finds his friend Parimal and that he works for Field Science. Bhishma talks about the greatness of organic farming during the interaction and wins over Chaitra. Suddenly, Deva's constable sends a picture of them hugging. Deva gets enraged and goes to Bhishma's house, where he finds that Anand is Bhishma's father and holds Bhishma at gunpoint. Anand reveals that Bhishma is the grandson of SR Bhishma and he is the next CEO of Bhishma Organics. Deva and Bhishma are shocked and the media soon learn about this. When Bhishma is ready to leave to take care of his grandfather, it is revealed that Anand lied to Deva in order to keep his son alive. Bhishma is shocked and Chaitra breaks up with him, saying that her father wants her to marry him since he is the grandson of SR Bhishma, and tells that she knows that he is not Bhishma's grandson. Bhishma decides to tell the truth to Deva, but is surprised when SR Bhishma announces him as an operational CEO of the company for 30 days. Bhishma is shocked by this decision and Chaitra despises him even more. Bhishma also finds out that Parimal lost his job at Field Science due to Raghavan learning that Parimal is Bhishma's friend, and he joins as a driver for Bhishma. Bhishma is shown around the office and he quickly wins over the employees, where he also saves a village from signing from Field Science, enraging Raghavan, and also wins back Chaitra's love. Raghavan decides to make sure Bhishma is not the next CEO by giving a poisonous hybrid plant to SR Bhishma, who later gets hospitalized, and also plants chemically made plants in Bhishma's warehouse to further make the company lose reputation with a police raid. Raghavan invites Agricultural Minister Ajay Verma to launch Instant to the world, but Ajay tells that the product is made with harmful chemicals and cancels the license of Field Science, which surprises Raghavan and gets admitted to the hospital. Raghavan soon finds out that SR Bhishma is alive and he was only hospitalized due to a high fever. The plant which Raghavan sent was actually destroyed by Parimal, thinking that the plant was for Jar Bhishma when it was actually for SR Bhishma. Jar Bhishma suggests Parimal to replace the plant with a similar-looking plant without the poisonous properties. Bhishma also reveals that he found Sara and Ajay in a hotel room and had blackmailed to telecast their relationship to the public in exchange for Ajay to provide a speech about the harmful chemicals present in Instant, and the police found out about Raghavan planting the plants. Bhishma is later appointed as the full-time CEO of Bhishma Organics where Chaitra and Bhishma finally marry with the approval of their parents.